Hello, students. I hope you all are safe and in good health. Students, I have already given you the summary of the story, that is, chapter number 2, the story of Rudolph. But I will give a quick recap of the story so that we can move ahead with the question answers. You already know this story is about a young and small reindeer named Rudolph, and he lived in Toyland, and he had a special feature in his body, right? He had a big and bright red nose, right? And it glowed in the dark. That is the feature he had which made him different from all the reindeers in Toyland. And all the other reindeers used to tease him and call him names because of his this red glowing nose. Okay, and he also had very tiny antlers, and he was not very happy with that. And the other reindeers in the Toyland used to tease him with all his physical features. So, and they used to call him names. What they used to call him? They used to call him the red-nosed reindeer. They used to call him the red-nosed reindeer. Okay, so and hearing these names, he was not very happy with them. One day, what happened? Before the Christmas Eve, Santa Claus wanted to make a team that would help him deliver gifts during the Christmas time. So, what he did, he his assistants, that is his elves, they posted an information that Santa Claus was going to choose a team of reindeers for delivering gifts to the children during the Christmas Eve. Now, hearing this, the reindeers all were very happy and they all wanted to be in his team. So, what they did, they all lined up at 8 o'clock in the meadow so that Santa could choose them as a part of his team. But Rudolph didn't stand in the line. Why? Because he was ashamed of his features, right? As all used to tease him, so he was ashamed of his physical features, and so what he did, he hid behind a row of bushes. He hid behind the bushes as he didn't want Santa to notice him. Okay, now all the reindeers were in the line. Now Santa started inspecting them to choose all of them or whoever was eligible for his team. Okay, so now he chose some of the reindeers like Dasher, who was the biggest reindeer, then Dancer, the strongest, then Prancer, and a lot other reindeers whom he chose for the team. Okay, and but Rudolph was not chosen as he was hiding behind the bushes. Now, the reindeers who were chosen were very happy. Even the other reindeers also, they got some or the other job in his team. Now, Rudolph was the only reindeer who was not chosen for the job. Why? Because he was hiding behind the bushes and Santa couldn't see him. Now, on the day of the Christmas Eve, what happened? Rudolph was very sad as all the reindeers were happy. They were chosen for the team. They were busy. They were getting ready for delivering presents on the Christmas Eve. But Rudolph didn't have any job. So he thought that he wanted to meet Santa and wanted to be part of Santa Claus team. So he started searching for Santa to request him to take him in his team. Now, what happened? Santa's elves were all very busy preparing and arranging for the Christmas Eve this distribution. Okay, this Christmas Eve a present distribution, as they were making all the reindeers ready to deliver presents for the children on the Christmas Eve. But Rudolph, he was searching Santa Claus. The night was very cold and there was fog everywhere. And but what Santa was doing? Santa was busy finding his Christmas list, as he was finding it difficult to see in the fog. Then suddenly what happened? Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, appeared, and the light coming out from his red nose lit up the place. Means Santa was looking for the list, right? And suddenly the reindeer, that is Rudolph, he had a bright red nose which used to glow, right? So when he appeared in the night, in the dark night, as it was foggy also, right? So when he appeared, then there was light, like there was light in that place. Santa was very happy to see Rudolph, and he appointed him the head of all the reindeers and his team. He asked Rudolph to be in the front of the sleigh so that the light coming out from his red nose could guide the sleigh on the foggy Christmas Eve. So, in the beginning, if you see that Rudolph was not happy, and he was not getting any job, and he was not happy, as Santa had not chosen him, right? As Santa had not seen him, actually he was hiding behind the bush. But when Santa saw him and seeing his red glowing nose, Santa was very much impressed, and he thought that his red nose can act as a lantern in the this dark night, and the other reindeers could see the way through the fog. And Santa and his team flew through the clouds on the foggy Christmas Eve to deliver presents to all the children in the world. So, children, you come to know that you should never be unhappy with what you have. You should always appreciate what God has given you. Every child is different. Everyone has different features. Everyone has different qualities. Everyone is different from the other. We should not have the habit of comparing with each other. Okay, we should be happy as an individual. You should be happy what God has given you, and you should utilize it to the most, right? We should never be sad that God has given him or her this thing, I don't have this thing. Like that, no comparison should be there. You should be happy with what you have, and whatever you have, you should utilize it to the maximum. Okay, so you already know the lesson now. So now we will move ahead, and I have already given you the word meanings for this chapter, right? So already some word meanings are there in the textbook. You can see in the yellow box, right? So go through that word meanings, read through the word meanings one time, and understand the word meanings. After that, whatever word meanings I have given, 10 word meanings I have given, you have to read and learn this. Okay, now we will move to the next part of the chapter, that is the question answer, and I will give you some words so that you can frame your own sentences with these words. Okay, so please note down the words that you need to frame your own sentences. Okay, first one is chosen. CHOSEN, chosen. Second one is hiding. HIDING, hiding. Third one is suddenly. SUDDENLY, suddenly. Fourth word is glad. GLAD, glad. Fifth one is brought. BROUGHT, brought. Okay, so these are the 5 words. I will repeat again: chosen, hiding, suddenly, glad, and brought. So these are the 5 words from this chapter that I am giving you, so that you can frame your own sentences. Okay, so try to think about that word and try to frame your own sentences with these words. In your notebook, first you will write the word meanings I have given you. You will write the name of the chapter, date, then you will write the word meanings that I have given in my previous class. Then next you will write these words that I gave now, that is you have to frame your own sentence. Now third will be this reading one. In your book, page number 27, that is reading one. Questions are there. There are 2 questions. I will add 3 more questions to this, and then you will write the question answer. Okay, so first you have to write the word meaning. Second, you have to write these words I have given to frame sentences, and the third one will be this question answer. So first question. The first question is, how was Rudolph different from the other reindeer in Toyland? Okay, this is the first question. So first you will write the question. The answer, I will tell you the answer. What will be the answer for this question? Rudolph was younger and smaller than the other reindeers in Toyland, and had very tiny antlers, and had a nose that was big, bright red, and glowed in the dark. All these physical features made him different from the other reindeers in Toyland. Okay, so these were the physical features which made him different from the other reindeers. So you will write this answer. Second question, for what purpose was Santa Claus choosing a team? So the answer for this is, Santa Claus was choosing the team so that the team would deliver presents to every good little boy and girl in the world on Christmas Eve. So this is the answer for question number 2. Now I will add some questions from my side. So question number 3 will be, where did Rudolph live? Okay, question number 3 is, where did Rudolph live? The answer for this is, Rudolph lived in Toyland in the North Pole. Okay, Rudolph lived in Toyland in the North Pole. Now, question number 4. Why did other reindeer made fun of Rudolph? The other reindeer made fun of Rudolph as he had a big, bright red nose which glowed in the dark and made him look different from other reindeers of Toyland. Okay, I will repeat the answer. The other reindeers made fun of Rudolph as he had a big, bright red nose which glowed in the dark and made him look different from other reindeer of Toyland. Now, question number 5. Write the names of any 5 reindeer who lived in Toyland. So, there are almost many names mentioned in the chapter. That is different reindeer's name, but I have selected 5. You can write other names also given in the text. No problem with that. Okay, so the question is, write the names of any 5 reindeer who lived in Toyland. So you will write the answer as Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Comet, and Cupid are the names of the 5 reindeer who lived in Toyland. So as I said, you can add any other names also. So any 5 names you write for this question. Okay. Question answers for this chapter is over. Next day, in my next class, we will do this one true and false, and that one next that is tick the right reason. Okay, so we will complete that too. Okay, for the today's class this much, and please go through the word meanings given in the book as well as what I have given you, and read the chapter twice. Okay, try to read the chapter and then you write the question answer as I told you. Okay children, okay, thank you.